A summary of the Yellow Creek Railroad construction progress during 2018. By the end of 2017, about 50% of the layout had been started. It's shown here in the shaded areas. The final track plan will include a folded dog bone, a loop-to-loop, and an outdoor extension. This is what the layout area looked like in early 2018. A large gap separates the benchwork in the front and back of the room. The first push in 2018 was to connect the front and rear sections of the layout. This would complete the lower level, what would later become the Valley Division. By late February, train service to Bath had been established. Near Bath, at the rear of the basement, a knee wall was completed, and a temporary gate installed. This keeps unsupervised grandkids, and household pets, out of the layout area. Next, mountain terrain was installed along the back wall of the layout. I used a chicken wire base, covered in brawny shop towels, dipped in hydrocal plaster. Here are a couple photos showing progress of the mountain scenery. The entire area, in the photo on the right, used about 100 pounds of plaster. 15 pounds of that probably ended up on me, or the floor. Once the mountains reached the Hopkins mill area, I stopped. Before going further, I had to complete the bench work for the mill pond, Sawmill, Yellow Creek, and the High Line. With bench work around Bath completed, a second control panel was installed, for switching operations in that area. Like the panel at Hopkins, the same color coding will be used. White for track blocks, red for uncouplers, and black for turnouts. When the next shipment of hydrocal plaster arrived, I went back to the middle of the layout room, and began work on Mount Douglas. In my junk box, I found an old 12-volt DC power supply, from a computer or something. On Amazon, I found some cheap LEDs, for use on cars, that operate on 12 volts. I installed the power supply, in the Bath control panel, and ran leads around the layout. Here's the Yellow Creek Railroad at the end of 2018. A lot done, but a lot more to go. Maybe I need to retire, and work full-time for the railroad. Thanks for watching.